Here are PPC, pay-per-click ad programs that will pay you per click. This video is for those who want to earn income through ad programs that will pay you per click. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the complete video to learn how to make income by clicking on your ads. Let's start the video. There are some easy ways to make money merely by having people click on your ads. Demonstrator. You can make quite a bit of money with pay-per-click advertisements, a total of around $2,000. If you're prepared to put in the effort, it still works. After 3 months of testing this method, these are the results of the experiment. In the grand scheme, an extra 70 to 100 euros a month one can easily get in their bank account is a lot of money. As a result, one can come to believe this monetization type is still effective. A challenge and a prospect for Redemi. When it comes to passive income, affiliate marketing is one of the first things you learn about. But the difficulty is that you only get paid if someone sees the ad, clicks on it, and purchases the product. As a result, it can't be considered passive. Not only do you need traffic, but you must also persuade that traffic, or your audience, to make a purchase. You need to advertise your product or service. On the other hand, PPC, pay-per-click ad programs allow you to make money only from the traffic you generate. Using this formula is as easy as pie. More traffic and PPC ad clicks equal more money. You'll need 3 things. Traffic. Not only on social media or platforms like Medium, but your own website's visitors are also part of your traffic source. Ads will no longer be out of your hands after you've done this. Using Bluehost with WordPress to create a website is an easy way to start. Making a site where you repost your Medium articles is a simple way to get started. It's essential to keep in mind that promoting your website will take more time and effort than you anticipate. Pay-per-click PPC advertising. You'll need to sign up for a PPC ad program if you want it to run PPC advertisements on your website and be paid every time someone clicks on them. The following is a complete list. A total of 3 clicks. Ads must be placed sensibly, with a large number of them, to entice people to click on them. You will have plenty of room for advertisements if you produce lengthy blog entries. For the most part, extended lessons are popular. 5 PPC advertising programs are included in this list. Number 1. Google AdWords. It is one of the oldest and most reputable companies in the industry. The only issue is that getting authorized is notoriously tricky. Building a high-quality, complete website is a recommendation. Porn, politics, violence, and other sensitive themes should also be avoided. Risk-averse. Google AdSense is exceedingly cautious. Number 2. Media.net. This application retrieves ads from the Yahoo, Bing network. In addition to Google AdSense, you may take advantage of this program. Number 3. Azoic. Big websites will benefit significantly from this software. At least 10,000 visits a month are required for this option. The upside is that you are paid a lot of money with each click you make. Number 4. Advertisers who use props. If you cannot enroll in other programs due to their controversial material, this is a viable option. Negative aspects include the possibility of seeing explicit advertisements. You may want to think about whether or not this will work for you before making a final decision. It's a positive that there is no traffic minimum. Number 5. Infolinks. Netflix and Nike are both known to employ this program. With Infolinks, your website is analyzed in real time to place ads that are most relevant to your visitors. You may also be paid 10% of the ad income, earned by referees via their referral program. The only drawback is that you'll be paid very little. Pay-per-view is even better. Pay-per-view is a better approach to making money than pay-per-click. A simple way to make money on YouTube is via the YouTube Partner Program. Streamline your organization. If so, do you like to do all of your work? Automation or outsourced work is your preference. You should try using GetResponse to automate your newsletters and email campaigns, as well as your marketing and company. This was all from my side to guide you about the income sources through multiple websites and to receive payment in your PayPal account. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.